It has been a lifesaver every year. In fact, the first year that I tried it out, my husband was like, that was amazing. It made gift wrapping so much easier. Hello friends, it's Melanie from Simple Made Pretty, and if you are new to my channel, I share budget home decor ideas and Dollar Tree DIYs. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. In this video, I am sharing a Dollar Tree organizing hack from 3 years ago. I shared this video on Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube shorts, and I realized I never actually put together a complete blog post tutorial or YouTube video for you with this awesome hack. By the way, do you see my elves? They have a little note behind me. They're playing a candy cane game and they hid 6 candy canes around the room. Just a side note, if you are looking for some Christmas elf ideas, I do have some free printables at simplemadepretty.com to help you out. Okay, so back to this Dollar Tree DIY. This is my 3rd year using this Dollar Tree DIY gift wrapping station for the holidays. It has been a lifesaver every year. In fact, the first year that I tried it out, my husband was like, that was amazing. It made gift wrapping so much easier. I mean, he just hates gift wrapping. I like it because I like being creative and making things pretty. If you have gift wrap all over the place and you want to just keep it organized, and this is just a temporary solution for the holiday seasons, you can grab these items from Dollar Tree. It's very affordable and very quick to do. And then you can break everything down and put it away in a bin and then use it again next year. And so, like I said, this is the 3rd year in a row we've done this. It's worked out amazing for us. You could also create a similar solution as a permanent solution. It just depends on your space in your home. We have a very small home, and with 2 dogs and 2 kids, there is a lack of storage space in our home. So even using the back of a door in our house is just, it takes up a lot of space to do it all year long. So I use the back of one of our kitchen doors to organize this quick DIY gift wrapping station. So to get started, you need to get one of the metal over the door organizing hooks from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has carried these for years. In fact, I used it to make my viral Dollar Tree farmhouse mug racks several years ago, and they have kept it in stock, thankfully. So you need one of those, shower caddy organizer. You'll need a little acrylic organizer, and I used 4 extra large dog leashes. And then I also grabbed a couple of the plastic kids hangers. So the first thing you're going to do is find a door in your house that you can use. And you want to make sure that it's a door. If you have longer rolls of gift wrap, if you open your door, those rolls might get caught when you're opening it. So keep that in mind. It may be the back of a door that you don't use very often, or just be a little bit careful when you're opening the door. And so the next thing I did was I took my hot glue gun and I glued together 2 of the extra large dog leashes. And the reason why I did this was because your dog leash has 1 loop already for the handle that you can use to stick wrapping paper in, but I wanted to create more loops. So I glued 2 of them together so that there was 2 loops at the bottom. And then I measured 7 inches above that and then glued a little area together to glue them together to make another loop. And then I measured 7 inches above that to glue another area to make another loop. You can continue that on. Now, if you don't have a great glue gun or a really good hot glue stick, if you're using cheap hot glue sticks, this may not last you, especially if you're if you're trying to hang several rolls of wrapping paper, the hot glue might wear down eventually. So that's why I suggest using a high quality hot glue stick and hot glue gun like the Sure Bonder hot glue. They have, I'll have to link it. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I've used it to make fabric projects before, and it holds up amazing. You would never even know this item is made with hot glue. You would think it was sewed together. And that is another option you could do with these leashes. You could sew them together. So once you have the leashes glued with all the extra loops, all you have to do is use the little metal clasp on the end of the dog leash and hook it to the sides of your over the door hook. And then you can start loading in all of your wrapping paper in those loops. After that, I hung all of my little gift bags. Then I hung the shower caddy on the over the door hooks, and I placed the acrylic container inside of the shower caddy, and that's where I put all of my gift tags, my scissors, and my tape fit in there very nicely. You can also use the little hooks at the bottom to hang more gift bags. As for the kids' hangers, I use them to organize all of my tissue paper. So I just took the hanger and I draped the tissue paper through that. And if you buy a lot of your gift wrapping supplies from Dollar Tree, a lot of those items come in bags that have a little hook in it, and you could just hook it back on there. Or same thing with the gift tags. A lot of them, if you get the pads of them, they have a little hook, and that's how they display them in the store, and you could just bring it home and hang it there as well. Now, the only thing that did not fit on my gift wrap station was boxes. Obviously, you would have to keep your boxes separate. I just think it would just be very cumbersome to put any folded boxes hanging on the door in this area. Although you probably could make your leash loops a little bit wider to fit boxes in there as well. So go ahead and try that and let me know how it works out. All right, guys, that was it. It was short and sweet, and I hope this organizing hack helps you reduce some of the stress during the holidays, because if you are like anyone else, you're running around and trying to get things done in time, and I hope this helps you for years to come, because like I said, you can take everything down and just pack it in a bin and use the same method next year. Don't forget, I have linked everything that I use in the description, so be sure to check that out. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. That's it for now. Bye.